going to review these buck knives, the workmanship and their quality. I bought this as a set because I wanted to experiment with how well they're made and to see what the fuss was about the whole thing. I mean, everyone tells me they're great products, and well, I bought it, and now we're going to open it and see how good they are. It says that it has a forever warranty, so it says that they will unconditionally replace it if it's found to contain any defects. So they stand behind their quality, and I can't wait to, I mean, not feel, but see how good they're well made, how well they're made. So let's open this up. Oh, it should have instructions on how to opening it. Here it is. So let's opening it here. Oh, and there you go. So first off, let's be very careful. In this case, it comes with this sheath, right? To look, it's well made, very very good stuff. Let's start. We gotta be very careful of this other holder. We'll see how it works. Okay, so when opening these, of course, you gotta be very careful because they're knife they're nice and they're sharp. So okay, so there you go. I got the basic knife, which is really what I wanted to see, right? And wow, this is really well made. Uh, the handle is made out of rubber, but this this blade, this is amazing. Let me so you can take a look. You see, it's really well made. Oh my god. Right? And the handle is also well made. It feels sturdy. Really, really nice. Okay? I wish you could hold it. You see, you can definitely see there how sharp that is. Let's put this to the side. That, of course, it goes in here, right? In this case, it comes with this. Oh, there you go. That's perfect. So you have it in there. And now let's go to the saw. And I guess this is made to, this is made to for sawing pieces of wood, right? When you're out there trying to build a fire or build anything, you have these. And look, it's really, really well made. Let me show you. Wow, this is amazing, right? It's a saw, right? And if you can see the it's zigzags, right? So that it has like a nice surface. Let me see if you can see there. There you go. And this, I'm gonna bet that it folds, right? That you go like this, and it folds into itself. So that way you can carry it, and it protects the blade and protects you from the blade. More importantly. Now let's go to my favorite. When I saw this, I'm like, oh, I want this. It's just so primal, so medieval, right? The axe. Wow. So this is heavy. It feels like, and this is what I was hoping for. It feels like those axes that you when you go, you know where these places where you can go throw axes. This is how this feels, right? And let me. It has this for tenderizing meat. So let me see. Can you see it? There you go. Right? It has that surface. And now let's take this off so you see the axe itself. Wow. Really nice. really well made, sturdy, heavy. This is heavy. This is nice and heavy. And yeah, put this in there. And I'm going to say that, yeah, that this is to protect the axis. It has a way to protect the axe. So let me show you. Let me show you how. How? Oh, you see, it's really nice. You see, really well made, sharp as hell. Very, very sharp. And then with the tenderizing surface right there, right? And this right here is made to protect that edge. So you put it like that, right? Maybe, wait, maybe it's this way. Yeah. So you like this and you protect it. And that way, when you're carrying it, it's safe. You see? It's nice and safe when you're carrying it. And then you can put it in a bag and you don't have to worry because all the blades are nice and protected. You see? And the blade is nice and protected. And this blade is also nice and protected. So the truth is that I recommend the way. I mean, this feels good, and I'm sure I'm gonna get, when camping, I'm gonna get the best use of this. Camping or fishing or anything outdoorsy. These are these tools are gonna come in really, really handy. So let's have fun out there.